Fjords Classic Comfort Collection Assembly for R-Frame Recliners. All Classic Comfort Collection R-Frame recliners are delivered in 2 boxes. One containing the cushion sets for the seat and ottoman, the other containing the base and hardware. For Ottoman assembly, first start by placing the metal inserts into the groove on the ottoman legs. Next, insert the other end of the metal insert into the grooves on the ottoman base. Attach the mounting bracket to the bottom of the ottoman cushion. Notice the direction of the bracket. The low end should face the front of the ottoman. Fasten into place. Next, place the ottoman cushion and bracket over the wooden ottoman legs. Secure with hardware and tighten. Now it's time to assemble the recliner. Place the spindle on top of the wooden base and secure with 5 screws. Be sure to use washers during assembly. The seat and seat back now have to be joined. Place the mounting arms on the seat cushion inside the housing on the seat back. Once inserted, squeeze the seat and the back together by applying force until you hear it snap into place. Do this for both sides. To attach to the yoke, there are 3 attachment points. The attachment point in front goes on the metal bracket under the front of the seat cushion. Snap that into place. Attach the arm brackets to the pin on the side of the seat back and snap into place. Do this for both sides. Connect the spindle into the hole on the bottom of the yoke. Next, attach the arms brackets. Note, there is a left and right side arm bracket. The taller end goes towards the back of the chair. Secure with bolts. For recliners that have a headrest pillow, insert into strap on the back of the recliner.